In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fillable PDF form in Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know how to take a regular PDF and make it interactive so people can type into fields, select options, and return clean, consistent data. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. At the top, go to the Tools tab. From the available options, choose Prepare Form. This workspace is designed specifically for turning documents into forms. When prompted, pick from existing document, then confirm the PDF you want to use. Click Start to let Acrobat scan your pages. The app looks for things like underlines, boxes, and labels, and it will automatically detect form fields for you. Once Acrobat finishes, you'll see a set of highlighted form elements over your document. This is where a quick review pays off. Click through each detected field and make sure the type matches your intent. Text fields should appear where people need to type names, emails, or addresses. Checkboxes should be used for yes or no choices, and drop-downs are great when you want to limit answers to a predefined list. If a field isn't quite right, select it and adjust its type and name so the label is clear when you export data later. Pay attention to alignment and sizing so the form looks professional and easy to read. You can drag edges to tidy things up and use the on-screen guides for consistency. Also take a moment to check the tab order. Press the tab key to see how the cursor moves from one field to the next. Reorder fields in the panel if the flow doesn't match how you want users to move through the form. In the Properties panel, you can mark important fields as required, add helpful tooltips, or apply formatting like date or number validation to reduce errors when people fill it out. When everything looks good, click Save. It's a good idea to save a new copy so you keep an original version for reference and a separate one for distribution. Your PDF is now fillable and ready to share. Recipients can open it in Acrobat or most modern PDF readers, type directly into the fields, and return a clean, completed form. For best results, keep your labels clear and consistent, and avoid crowded layouts so automated detection works reliably. That's all it takes to create a polished, fillable PDF form in Acrobat Pro.